Good morning. I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. Today we are discussing about management of a small business, that is a part of the entrepreneurship management, entrepreneurship development. In this we are discussing about various issues related with the organizational relations. Everyone know about the organization and its relations. Organization means it consists of the peoples with the surroundings. A lot of institution already in the system. So whatever any issues is to be there related with the relationship in between organization part was there, that is intrinsic and extrinsic. Inward means whatever the different department was there, and external means whatever the different association unit was there. If you are in the healthcare sector, then definitely the associated unit may be the government regulatory bodies or their supporting institution was there. Or if inside, that is the marketing, finance, HR department or different things is to be there. In this particular, in the terms of the organizational relations, we may consider the various values related with the job designs, performance management, training and development, legal issues. A lot of things can be carried out in due course of. Now, if by managing any type of small business or the system or the manpower management, whatever, so there are certain issues can be come down if we will not consider later on that become a drastic problem was there. As a new entrepreneur, as a developing entrepreneur, it's your responsibilities, your compliance was there. You have to look after that issues is to be there. Because in day-to-day practice, if you will not consider these things, then this may lead various problematic conditions will be come down. So first, issues. Compliance with laws and regulations. Compliance with law and regulations. Here I am using the two things, laws and regulations. Whatever the sector, whatever the unit you use to establish as a new entrepreneur, you should follow each and every steps given in the policy matter by government or the particular authorities, by which, because you are not for the one day business, you want to step in and you want to develop yourself from this level to that level. So reaching to that level, you should clear each and every compliance was there. I have told you that if you want to open any pharma company, you should take some production license. If you want to sell the pharma product, you should take some wholesale license. Either in the retail business, you should take up some chemist license from the government or what the local authorities do. Now, that means we should follow whatever the regulations in that particular sector. Clear? And we should follow the related laws with that. Like, if you hire, as per the labor law, if you have more than 20 employees, there are certain statutory provisions as per the Labor Act. If below that, this may be applicable, this may not be applicable. I am not telling anything, I am not discussing anything in that. If this type of compliance is to be there, may be possible, certain rules, certain regulations as per the geographical distribution, as per the demographic factors, as per the caste, creed, whatever. So, whatever the rules and regulations, whatever the regulation, you should follow. Otherwise, keeping up with changing employment laws, you have to feel trouble in later on. So, regarding with organizational relations, in the developing section, like IR, whatever, you should follow the strict things is to be there. Second thing, management changes. This thing usually happens in government sector a lot of time. I am not telling you only in government sector, but usually this thing happened in government sectors. Maybe the authorities is to be changed, IAS officers, PCS officers, or the whatever the rules will be the same, laws will be the same, the authorities will be changed. So earlier may be possible Previous officer has given certain relaxation in that way. This officer will not lay down. So you should always ready to managing the change, because change is always law of the nature. What is to be today's may not be tomorrow's. Even in the system, the management change, you have to look after. Because whatever the product you need today, maybe possible that is not needed tomorrow also. If you need that type of system is to be in today's scenario, maybe possible you will not require other times to be. The same thing the customers to be. अगर एक जनरल एग्जांपल में लें तो बहुत सारे लोग सुबह मॉर्निंग की चाय के साथ बिस्किट खाते हैं. लेटर ऑन, हम कुछ समय साल पहले की बात करें तो शायद बिस्किट मींस पार्ले जी. लेटर ऑन द कंडीशन विल बी चेंज्ड एंड पार्ले जी एडेड सम अदर थिंग आल्सो, मैरी आल्सो इन दैट. तो अब दो सेगमेंट बना दिए. तो पार्ले वालों ने क्या किया, दे हैव अगेन डेवलप वन मैरी प्रोडक्ट आल्सो. क्यों? क्योंकि वो मार्केट ऑलरेडी आपके जी से अलग हो गया था, जी एंड मैरी. तो इफ बिकॉज दे आर ऑल्सो एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, मे बी पॉसिबल दे आर द एस्टैब्लिश्ड एंटरप्रेन्योर, यू आर द न्यू एंटरप्रेन्योर, बट इफ वी लीव दिस कॉन्सेप्ट then they will lose the market. At that time the market will be around 35 to 40% was there. They are already stabilized. So that means you have whatever the market earlier, you have the 100% market for G only, like glucose biscuit, and now that this product entered and around 35, 32, 37%, like certain research has been already carried out. So either you will lose the market, either you should stabilize yourself in that particular market. So what the Parle do? Parle has established a different brand of the Mary, and now again he has settled down the market. I am not telling anything like Britannia or something. I am just this like only the example. This is समझाने के लिए we should be ready to accept the change. If we are not ready to accept the change, our organization will suffer. If our productivity up to that level, definitely as per the change, if we are not acceptable, we will drop down. And अंतर किसको पड़ेगा? Because we are the new entrepreneur. हम एक नए हैं, हमें मार्केट में स्टेबलाइज रहना है, और अगर हम स्टेबल नहीं रहेंगे तो हम मार्केट में सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो फॉर द सर्वाइवल, एज पर द थ्योरी ऑफ डार्विन, सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट. तो हमें मार्केट में सर्वाइव करना होगा, उसके लिए हमें मैनेज को करना होगा, और ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रिलेशन वी हैव टू लुक आफ्टर. The third one, leadership development. Leadership development. Development is not inductions. Development is to be there. If we have the knowledge, we have the skills, we can develop ourselves to be there. So whatever the leadership means entrepreneur. If I am the entrepreneur, I am leading the division, I am stabilizing the business is to be there. We have to develop our skills, our knowledge, our traditions, our values day by day. If this thing is not happened, we will lose whatever the system is to be. Because earlier we have to start our unit for 4-5%. Later on, as the unit grow, we have to enhance our capacity, enhance our powers, enhance our unit plan, enhance our organization structures, enhance our system orientation is to be there. As initially may be possible, we have already told you that around 4-5% may be there, or later on this 4-5% enhanced to 40-50 and enhance 400 to 500 like that. If from this place to that place, this place to that place, if we will not increase, if we have not developed our leadership skills, so definitely we cannot do anything. Maybe possible earlier you have to process the system according to autocratic or the participative levels. Later on, you should convert yourself in the terms of the charismatic type of leadership, transformation type of leadership that you have to introduce. Otherwise, you cannot control your organization on the basis of faith and establishment. That is the main thing is to be there. In today's world, nothing is to be permanent. So whatever the knowledge, whatever the skills you have to look after, you should take care of that. And this is very critical things, because whatever, if the medical science is to be there, yeah, if you have to come down the Ayurveda system of to be there, एक जो हमने सीखा, जो हमने पढ़ा, कहते हैं किसी भी इंसान की टेंडेंसी को आप नहीं बदल सकते, मीन्स उसकी नेचर। मैं बहुत गुस्से वाला हूं तो मैं अपने गुस्से को नहीं बदल पाऊंगा, लेकिन अगर आपको पता है कि आप बहुत गुस्से वाले हैं तो जरूरत पड़ने पर आप अपने को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। सेम थिंग, इफ यू नो whatever your qualities is to be there, whatever the leadership style is to be needed at the time of the system administration, at the time of organization development, at the time of organization relation, you can go further. So you should take care while managing the institution on day-to-day basis. Now, fourth, workforce training and development. This is the vast. If you have to look after training for the new entrant and development, the person who already with us, we have to train, develop. Why the training and development is to be needed? We have just changed that this is the change. If when you have to start it, your business, you have a very less amount. You want to stabilize yourself in the market. Now you are in the growth phase, and later on, towards the side of the maturity, you have inducted. So when you are inducted in that side is to be there, you need some modern technologies, modern efforts, modern systems to be there. For that modern system, you need some new people who has the knowledge, and some new things can be inducted. And what is not necessary, HR principle is to be there. HR principle, whatever the employees you have, कभी भी आप उनको हटा सकते हैं. But now the question is to be there, because you have hired the person in that condition. तो अगर आप उनको हटाया है, इसका मतलब है कहीं ना कहीं आपकी वीकनेस थी, आप उन्हें सही तरीके से यूज नहीं कर पाए. Because the principle of HR is right person at the right place at the right time, with the right enthusiasm is to be there. So whatever in the organizational relations, whenever we have to look after, we have to search down in which area you need the development of existing employees, because you cannot control all the people is to be there, because the span of management was there, and everyone cannot be control all the 400, 500 or whatever. So you have to train the people by which a good supervisor capacity can be developed in that particular person who already with you from the last so many years. And later on you are in the developing mode, because today you have the A organization, later on you can be a B or C, later on this organization can be extended, that type of things. So you can become a group of companies later on in due course of, because this is the enterprise development history. So you have to train according to your need basis. You should take up that. Then 6, adopting to innovation. As an entrepreneur, innovation is on the top priority. If you have not innovative approach, you cannot survive in the market, because ब्रेड सब बनाते हैं, मगर अगर आजकल देखिए, मैंने हो सकता है मैंने ट्राई किया हो, a lot of type, a lot of varieties is to be coming down. Ginger bread, garlic bread, nut bread, pizza bread, whatever the bread is to be there. बेस सबका वही होता होगा. There may be, because I am not a bakery person is to be there, but if we just go through that, some innovative idea they have to create it, because they have to extend their business in the terms of organizational relationship development, because we have to add something extra by which others can be associated in that. Or ultimate, if my company is like A, if I am running a company, so whatever the surrounding, they should know that A is there, A is there, A is there. At least social recognition we should get down. Otherwise, what is to be there? A lot of companies is to be coming on daily basis. Again, they have just lose the business of it. Again, the shutdown is to be there. But if you want to go for the long run business, you should be there for a proper touch up and tune up with the real organization system is to be there. So innovative idea you should be ready to accept every time. If anything is to be there, creativity was there. If any employee showed on this type of creativity, definitely you will show down. And you have to accept the things is to be. Because these are teamwork. Initially you have to start in the pain for new entrepreneurs to be there, later on the condition. So in the management of a small business, innovative idea plays the vital role in capital. Then 6. Compensation. 5 and 6. Compensation. Whatever. I'm not telling anything what the compensation you should give to the employees, what the things to be you have, whatever the values you have to have, but at least you should give that type of compensation on the regular basis plus regular enhancement in that by which the system can be worked smoothly. Because whatever the employees with you, they are totally dependent on you. And you are also dependent on him. That's why you have to take up higher than him. Then start the business. They are also doing the labor to be. So whatever you should provide a clear-cut compensation as per the norms, as per the system, as per the laws we already discussed. So you should follow whatever the things to be. And in this compensation, at least you should give that type of recognition to your employees, to your authority. Your system is to be there in the for a smooth conductance. Otherwise, we know that salary is important, and there are certain job factors related with satisfaction. Was the salary was there? So whatever the compensation, it should be generously and acceptable is to be there. It's not necessary that abhi hire kar lo, baad mein nikal denge. No. This type of things should not be acceptable in the terms of the new entrepreneur. Otherwise, you will lose your business to be. And if you will lose your business, you cannot survive in this competitive environment was there. So, now 7. Understanding benefit packages. You should be clearly understanding that whatever the system is to be there, because day by day the concept is to be changed over. Compensation is a different part of game. Compensation is that, like monetary terms, we have to provide to the employee, we have to provide to the associates, and we have the organization development was there. But there are certain benefit package, like we have to provide free fooding, flexible times, computer benefits, or health benefit that we should add on later on. For smooth organization relations, smooth organization development, because organization is a part. The different units was there, inside of the outside also. If this type of adjustment, this type of system is to be developed, definitely you have to look after. So you should add on in your growth phase, because introductory phase is to be there, then you have the growth phase, then you have the maturity phase. So as reaching on this phase nearby, you should accept the benefit packages also. Later on, because small business management is a small unit is to be there, there are different issues can be come down, because if you are earning and employees are seeing that you are earning but you are not giving the things to them. So at least for betterment of that, if this is not a small, it's only the higher, you can say the it's a business, not in a small business, it's a higher standard business to be there. So in that, if you have to look after, government has given certain things like the CSR, corporate social responsibility concept was there. In that, I'm not exact figure, I'm not telling anything to be there, but they told that whatever the business you are doing, at least उसमें से कुछ आप social responsibility पे भी खर्च करिए, जो भी 8%, 2%, 10%, 5%, whatever so. And why they are doing it? Because this is the prime responsibility of an entrepreneur. That first you have to look after yourself, then whatever the associated person are with you, you should look after that also. Then the third, you have to look after society also. For looking after the society, you should do this type of activities to be there. So in this system, in this flexibility, in this values, you have to look after certain things of the benefit packages. Otherwise, in the organization system, this will be a very typical condition can be come down in due course of. Then, as you have to grow phase, growing, and you have entered in the growing phases to be there, then recruiting talented peoples, employees. So, why talented means skillful? Once again, skillful. Who can cross the things to you? Or the main concept was there, whenever we are recruiting this type of person is to be there, maybe possible they are interested for some more packages to be there. You just accept the thing. Because you have to reach down from this place to that place, now you have to reach down this place to that place. These are very typical conditions. A lot of throat cut competition was to be there. So they have the skills by which they can guide you, they can stimulate you, by which you can reach the concept is to be there. सबसे ज्यादा अगर नाव चलाते हैं, अगर कोई आप पूछिएगा कभी भी शिप या नाव में, या टेक ऑफ करना है, फ्लाइट को ऊपर कराना है, तो सबसे ज्यादा जो इफर्ट होता है वो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे चलता है. उसके बाद एक स्मूथ वे में चल जाती है. जिसने बाइक चलाई होगी, जिसने कार चलाई होगी, स्टार्ट करके आगे बढ़ाना सबसे पहला काम होता है. फिर तो रोड पे आपने चला दिया, आराम से देखिए चलती जाएगी. किसी को भी पकड़ा दीजिए हैंडल धीमे से. सेम थिंग यहां. For that is the thing. Then recruiting is a fine. Then retaining, सबसे balance point. Retaining talented employees. This is the prime job is to be there. If you cannot retain the right person, you will lose your business, and the business will be adversely affected toward the side of the relationship management is to be there. Your organization will be totally disrupted. Because as per the entrepreneur, as per the small business management, you need a good people at the good places to be there. So retaining is the prime consideration is to be there. This issue will be come down. And finally, we have discussing the 10th point. And 10th point is that workforce diversity. This is the 10th point. Workforce diversity. Multiple generation. Diversity means maybe possible you have started the business when I joined that institution is to be there, and my age is around 40 years in that time. And you have to run that business, that will be 60 years. Now I will be separated. But during this tenure, maybe possible my kids is to be there or something. I just introduced that person to be there here at the age of when I was in 50 years. So now he is around 30 years at this age. It is like an example. Main from is to be there. In your work team, all age group persons should be there. Because each and everything is to be needed in institution. You need conceptual values also. You need stability concept was there. Then you need product ideation was there, then you need the choice was to be there, then you need the acceptance level of the there, then you need the marketing phenomenon was there, then you need product satisfaction and values toward the perception of the side of the customer is also needed, then you need the real transactional values on the values of the organization relation is to be there. So in your things, in your system, in your business, in the organization relations, you need each and every type of people is to be there in the organization. So it's the prime motive is to be there. You should not constrain that you will take up that type of thing. Yeah, you are associated with that type of companies to be there. So in this system of management, in the system of small business management, you should look after these points by yes, no organization relation issues will be come down in due course of. Now, this is the today we are discussing about the managing small business, and everyone knows what is the small business. A small business is basically stabilized by the new entrepreneurs and new entrepreneur. And entrepreneur is person who has stabilized a new unit with certain or restricted resources with a real value of idea generations. So while managing a small unit and entrepreneurial development, we should use certain process. In the process, if you have to look after whatever the process is to be there for managing a small business, we should take up the first step, that is discovery. I think everyone knows about what is the discovery. Discovery is the state in which the entrepreneur generates ideas, recognizes opportunities, and studies the market. Because for managing a small business, you should concentrate on this. In this discovery, we have to look after two things. That is innovation, innovative approach we can say down. And the second thing is opportunity. If we have to look after this thing, definitely we will be standardize the market is to be for managing of that. Then in the discovery, if you have to look after, a lot of companies was there, a lot of business schools to be there who are using this type of values to be there. The second thing is concept development. Concept, this is the very crucial things. अगर मैं आपसे कहूं कि मैं एक ऐसा पेन बनाना चाहता हूं जो पानी से चले, idea is very nice to be, but from concept to idea on the floor, this is very typical things. It is not necessary कि ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, but the concept should be developed according to my views to be there. Maybe possible that is visible or maybe possible not visible is to be there. So develop a business plan, a detailed project report or detailed proposal discussion for the business ideas. In that you should include code of ethics, then mission statement was there. Why I am discussing here is a mission statement was there. Our medicine, if I am a manufacturing of a medicine and I think my medicine will be good reactive, what the thing is to be, unethically I will use some steroid in that. Then the medicine may be quick relief, but later on that will be adversely affected on our kidney and liver. So that is the not ethical values system there. So whatever the discovery up to the conceptual part of to be there, you have to very much cautious about that. You should always take up that thing that is to be the real business location is to be there. Then whatever the trademark, whatever the things you should be reported. Then resourcing. This is the stage in which entrepreneur identifies acquires the financial, human and capital resources. Three things: financial, human and capital requirement is to be there. So in this you have to look after this stuff, because for managing a small business you have to take up this step in every location to be there. If you have to think of this plan accordingly, your business will be definitely run and you will not face any type of problem to be there. But for resourcing, then you have to come down actualization. In this stage, the entrepreneur operates the business and utilizes resources to achieve the goal and the objectives. That means we have to start our business, that is opening, and we have to day by day operations. Starting that type of process to be there. So everything, whatever you have think, you have to get down whatever the business to be there. So this process may be possible for the initial stage of managing a small business from the grassroots things. When the business was running, the need was there, the fifth point, that is harvesting. Harvesting is the stage in which the entrepreneur decides on venture's future growth, development and demise. How we have to diversification is to be there. So whenever we will go through that, we have to look after how the process is to be generated, how the thing is to be cleared out. Otherwise, what happens to be there, if you are not look after this type of activities is to be there, you cannot be survive. So these are the 5 fundamental pillars in managing of a small business. Otherwise, you have to look after, if you have to destroy anything is to be there, you will lose whatever the complete system is to be there. Because this is the main process to be the entrepreneurship. So in the entrepreneurship development, in the managing entrepreneurship, you have to look after discovery, concept development, resourcing, then actualization and the harvesting is to be there. And whatever the managing in this process, because any step is to be needed. For any steps, you need certain things is to be there. Because if you have to look after this process, you have to look after certain concepts like financial management. In the financial management, you should have clear-cut idea from where you will obtain initial capital, then establish the system, then record keeping. This is to be analyzed. Then I'm just telling because the managing small business is to be there, because small business means a unit was there, you have not very much amount, and as a new entrepreneur you cannot take up the loan as much as possible is to be there. Maybe you have the capacities to be there, but for stabilizing of the new business, you have limited resources. In this limited resources, you have to settle yourself also, associated also, and production towards the family of the other members also. So this thing is to be financial profit reserve. Then you have to look after the marketing values is to be marketing, because if each and everything is to be fine, how things is to be thing. Because selection of initial product, stuffings, selection of initial market, selection of advertising, this you should be clearly understand. Otherwise, business cannot be survived. Because initially you should take that type of pain जिसका दर्द सिर्फ आपको होगा, दूसरों को नहीं होगा, बिकॉज आपने लोगों से हट के ये काम करना चाहा है. लोग, मैंने आपसे we have just started this topics to be there. I already told you, you are something different person. That's why you have taken the initiation part, you have discovered a part has to be there in which you want to develop yourself and you have to do something for your society also. Same thing. अगर आज फ्रंट पे लड़ाई हो रही तो कई लोग कहने लगते हैं, अरे सर उन लोगों को बहुत पैसा मिलता है और उन्हें लड़ना चाहिए, तो why not do so? आप भी खड़े हैं सामने, you should also go in the field to be there. आपको सिलेक्ट करके भेज देंगे, लेकिन हम जाएंगे नहीं, हम क्रिटिसाइज जरूर करेंगे फ्रंट पे. सेम थिंग हियर आल्सो. इफ वी लॉस आवर बिजनेस टू बी देयर, तो अदर विल बी क्रिटिसाइज अस. लो, कहा था इसे नौकरी कर लो, बट इसने अपना बिजनेस शुरू किया, देखो फ्लॉप हो गया. दिस थिंग आर टोटली. So whenever any managing of the small business, you should look after complete step in that scenario by which the failure word should not enter in your life cycle of the product. So this is then the third thing is product and service development. Product and service development. Whenever you have to start with the market is to be there, because establishment of a system or collecting feedbacks from others, you have to develop the product and then you have to stabilize the marketing is to be there. Because each and everything is very well formed is to be there. Because when the resourcing was there, you will be ready to get down the product and services to be there. Then resource allocation, resource acquisition. Resource acquisition. So whatever the product you need, product and services on the basis of resourcing and actualization, you need this type of, because in this actualization you have to hire site selection and the construction part, then acquisition of machinery, furnishing, informations, contacts with the suppliers. This type of concept is to be there. For managing a small business, you have to look after this thing in a very effective way. Start like because this is to be run down on a daily basis. Or if you just diversified, you just deviated from this track is to be there, आपकी गाड़ी पटरी से उतर जाएगी. Then you cannot be survive re-establish to be there, because आपके पास इतना पैसा नहीं है कि re-stabilize आप अपने को कर सको. You have already taken the loans from the other institutions to be there. Maybe possible some higher school. Then it's not you. Your whole career, whole responsibility, whole vision, whole mission was there, in which you have to start. So you have to look after these things to be there. Then you have to develop the process development. Process development. In this process development, if you have to look after focus of production and the operational management to ensure efficacy, safety, and the clearly development of the concept is to be there. Otherwise, whatever the thing is to be, you cannot stop to close down the business to be there. बाहर लोग आपको नहीं चाहते हैं, because they don't need any competitor is to be there. A lot of companies is to be there. So if you are a good innovator concept is to be there, you have the good discovery concept is to be there, you have the good opportunity was there, and you are follow whatever the missions and the values of the ethics is to be there, then your financial, marketing and product and services like that is to be there. But regarding that, you should also manage staffing. Because if the management of staffing is not be there, staffing maybe initially portal, you have a very less people is to be there. 2, 3, 4, 5% is to be there. Maybe possibly 2% in production side, 1% in marketing side, 1 is administration side. Maybe because you are all in one is to be there. Maybe all in one means 3, 4, 5% you have to establish that unit, and then after that things can be increased. So, but you have to take care of yourself also in the terms of health. In the terms of health means mental and physical both, or in the terms of that, if you are confident that you can do, definitely you can do this thing. A lot of motivations, a lot of things was there, definitely you will be. And then if anything in the due course of legal requirement was to be there, you should follow the legal requirement to be there, because otherwise for managing small businesses a lot of pressure was there. You may think of कि चलो अभी हम अपने घर से शुरू कर लेते हैं, later on हम बिजनेस को कहीं और शिफ्ट कर लेंगे. तो बट घर में शुरू करने से पहले क्या आपने लाइसेंस लिया, और whatever, if that is under the rural area, if that is the urban area, you have taken the competent authorities to take this type of permission is to be there. Because what the thing is to be, if you are starting any bakery product, like example, bakery product in your home is to be, then nearby around 300 meters, 400 meters around, one is already running down this type of business. He never interested that you should run this business. He will give the complaint to local authorities, local municipal corporations, or the police station. Again, they will come down, they will charge something bribe from you to be there. Then every time, because I already told you, change is the fashion. Maybe authorities is to be changed, new authority will be come down, again the process will be come down. So whatever the legal formality, legal exclusive is here, you should take care anonymously. Otherwise, in the system, you cannot process the things. And business also, you should know how you have to run your business to be there. The basic concept. Because in your business, you are the whole sole responsible of that. That is known as a sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship, in which you are the whole sole person is to be there. And maybe you have invested the amount, or you are using your manpower, you are using your brain, you are using your techniques, you are using your skills, and other is to be financing some other. So that may be a partnership basis. Partnership. Then maybe possible you have to start your lease or something. So maybe the concept can be come down by the values of the corporations. So in this you have to give in 10 persons like stakeholders, they will give down the money, or they told that you have just invest the amount and give me the profit whenever it's to be earned out, like a corporation like structure is to be there. But again, they have given you money on the basis of yours. If anyone give down the money, they have the power to get down the money back. So you should be rated how you have to invest the amount is to be there. And in this process, whatever, because generally in the entrepreneurship development, 3 things can be come down: proprietorship, partnership, or the corporation like structure is to be there, in which some sleeping partner will be there, and you are the active partners to be there. And then there's this in managing a small business. This thing is like a charting business, and this thing is like a advisory business to be there. In this, and in running of the business, there may be a certain internal problem can be come down and certain external problem will come down with this infrastructure basis. Whatever the internal, whatever the external is to be there. You have internal problems, may be possible. You are not adequate capital, cash flow, facilities, human resources, inventory control is not covered, organizational structure is not well formed, or accounting system is not up to the mark was there. And whatever the external may be possible, product issues can be come down in due course of. Then expansion, you need expansion, but you are not in the position to expand the product. Then competitors problems which within the locations regionals was there. Then marketing knowledge was there. Then customer concept was to be there. So whatever the reason, whatever the establishment is to be there, you have to think of. So in this system, in this visualization, in these values, whatever the actualization is to be there in managing of human business, small business was there, you need to discover each and every concept in that scenario by which your first point, innovation and opportunity should be stabilized. Then your resourcing of financing and human resources, it should be clearly established. Then actualization, you have to, because you are the entrepreneur, everything should be a grassroots level. No hyper things was there. So whatever each and every in the resource acquisitions, in the product development, in the product resources, in the legalization form is to be there, you have to look after each and everything in that manual by which others should act. And in this parenting concept, in the parenting product knowledge is to be there, you have to legalize the formation is to be there. So in this, if I am just summarizing the concept, if I am just summarizing the values is to be there, so as entrepreneurs involves the creation of business. For creativity, you need patience, and Rome cannot be built in a day. So the same concept you have to apply it. You have to develop each and everything in a very systematic forms, real value of actualizations and the harvesting. In the harvesting is to be needed whenever your system is to be stabilizing and establishing business is to be there. So it's my concept, it's my values was there. So managing business and managing small businesses, you should take care properly with real values of innovative approach, and at every step you have to look after your financial establishment, your marketing values, product acceptability and the services development, as well as whatever the other partners approach was to be there. Maybe if you are not run your business on individual basis like proprietorship, maybe some partners, so you should respect that concept also, and then for the future run you have to look after these things to be there. So this is the overall things which we can figure the managing business or small business management is to be.